Hi everyone. I have just finished getting prepared to welcome several of the ministers who are here a little bit early, and they're going to come over to my house for dinner tonight. I was thinking about, as I was preparing, this is not a burden for me. I really love to cook and to have dinner parties and decorate my home and welcome people into it. So I was thinking about this time of year. It's a time of harvest, and I'm wondering what it is that you do. How do we create a feeling of home? We talk about ourselves being a wild soul sanctuary. What does that mean to you? And how can we build that energy? So that's what I'm musing on this week. It's not very well defined, but I have a retreat this week, so I'm thinking that inspiration is going to come to me, and I look forward to seeing you on Sunday.